Okay, so what is blood made of? As we can see in this very simple diagram here, blood is made of four basic components. Red blood cells, right here. There's a red blood cell, red blood cell, red blood cell. And we will talk about those later. As you remember, red blood cells are called erythrocytes or erythrocytes. Okay? White blood cells. White blood cells, as you remember, are called leukocytes. Okay. Thrombocytes or platelets. And plasma. Alright. We're going to take a look at each of these in turn, what they are, what they do within the body, within the blood. So to begin, plasma. Plasma is a underrated thing, very often ignored in many medical people's minds, but plasma makes up 55% of your blood. Without plasma, you can't carry the other stuff. Plasma is your transporter. It's like your car, like your e-bike, right? It's what's going to carry the other stuff. And inside the plasma, many different nutrients, proteins, and other things are carried, and we'll talk about those in a moment. So plasma, remember, makes up over half of your blood volume. Plasma is a liquid, like water. It's 92% water. But it also contains some proteins and things that are like albumin, which you're going to have to look that up, and immunoglobulins, and you're going to have to look that up as well. They're both medical terminology terms. We may talk about them further in class. Plasma also moves gases that have been dissolved. It also carries nutrients that have been dissolved. And it carries waste materials in and out of cells of different types. So it is a carrier, it is a transporter. It's the high-speed train that carries all the other stuff. Now here's a little bit more detail on what is inside plasma and other medical English terms about plasma. And we're not going to talk about that too much right now, but we'll talk about that more when we are in class. Okay, so that's kind of plasma done. So we're going to take a little break and see what you know about plasma.